Can't get rid of me that fast. Another day, another video. I guess. So here I am once again, trying to point my dyslexic motivation in a specific direction, and I think I got a plan. Everything back here needs super cleaning. All needs to be cleaned and sanded, primed, painted. So I think the easiest place to start would be right there. That's the pressure washer. Hasn't run in a minute, and I don't know if it's going to run today. I don't even know if I got gas to put in it yet. But that's my thinking. I think I might go see if I got gas first. If not, that'll be my first stop. I hate the gas station nowadays, but necessary evil. So let me get this mission started, and I'll see you all in a bit. Sometimes I have small miracles. I had gas, and it started on the first pull. Let's see what could go wrong from here. Let's armor all the tires and start it up, go to the car show. Not quite yet, but at this point is where you start to have visions of what it's going to be. This frame hasn't been this clean since probably 1983. So there's that. Now I got access to all the bolts for the fuel line, parts of the frame that need to be sorted out. We got frames all good except for one little spot right there. That ain't no big deal. One little side, we'll be able to patch that back in. But it's looking pretty good. I was thinking way worse. Just the way it looked from all the surface rust, it looked way worse. There's more paint on it than I thought. I'm going to keep on with the cleaning. I think I'm going to pop the hood, continue cleaning the frame from the front. Maybe try to get the nose unbolted from this thing today. I don't know how that's going to happen, but we'll see how motivated I am here. Here I go again. And little by little, your project starts to come to life. And you start to have the visions. Trying to have a vision down here under the hood. It's got a 250 inline six. It runs. Now this thing ain't got no power brakes. It's got power steering. It's got nothing. No air conditioning. No nothing. What do? Keep it an all original truck, original motor, original setup, restore it as is, or you put air conditioning in it and a V8. I don't know. I ain't there yet. Right now, I mean, focus is getting the frame and the body sorted out. Mechanicals that go in it later on can be sorted out then. Oh, let me see what else I got before I call it a day here. Still early, still lots to do. Let's have a little peek around under the engine hood. Somebody already put an electronic ignition on it. That's a bonus. It started right up when I had it hooked up to some gas the last time. I put the new fuel pump on it. Everything else seems to be all right. I don't know about that single barrel Rochester on top. Might have to take a look at that in the future. See if we can make something better out of that. Maybe a 4-barrel on a straight 6 and turbocharger. Who knows? But as I'm starting to look around, my project is not that bad. No rust on the firewall, except for a little down there. No rust on the inside of this fender, though there's plenty on the outside. The inner fender right here is good. That's a keeper for sure. Frame up front is all nice. Probably had enough oil blown on it for its whole life to keep it coated and rust free. Radiator's got all the fins eaten off of it, so that's no good. There's my overflow bottle. That ain't gonna work. But it ain't looking that bad. These sides always, this side over here, passenger side, always takes a beating from the battery box. It's a bit rusty right here. This got to be addressed. Those are all bolt-on parts. Frame is good. Everything going back is good. I think my next mission is to get the front clip unbolted from this thing so I can keep working on the frame. More grinding. Never fun. This ain't gonna be fun. That was just to get the piece that was in the way out of the way. Another project's gonna take a while. I'm going. don't give certain people welders. Once again, my arms are killing me, man. Well, another long day, another face full of dirt. That's how that goes. All the parts that are supposed to come off are coming off. Except for this thing. It's built like a Sherman tank. It might take me another year or two to get it off of there, but I'll get it off. Front bumper come off pretty clean. A couple of bolts, and there it went. Found a little bit of frame damage right there. Nothing I can't straighten out. Just got to hold the bumper. But as you can see, that's how projects go. Slow but sure. Sometimes fast to the junkyard. This one ain't going to the junkyard. So I'm going to take my time, keep eating dirt, keep grinding away, keep plugging at it. Till tomorrow. See ya.